That looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, bud. So Phil and I have been in Arizona for the past few days, right? We got here on Monday, flew in, and we actually flew down in hopes of finding another work truck, which, as you guys can see, we did. So yeah, we're super stoked. This is a super good find down here. It's got 151,000 miles on it. 2013 F250 XLT. So yeah, the goal was to get down here, and I know in Minnesota whenever you look for work trucks, it's kind of tough to find ones without rust. And so we have family down here in Arizona and decided to give this guy a look at. Doing a bunch of looking on Craigslist and dealers and stuff, and this one definitely caught our eye. It was one of the cleanest ones we saw, and happy to add it to the fleet.
Oh yeah, there we go. I like
yeah.
to pull out. I don't know why.
All right, check out how clean this is. Everything was dialed in. Everything's clean, detailed. It's the XLT package, so it's got the upgraded chrome and stuff like that. Phil and I, after we bought it, we're so freaking happy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So nice.